What's the meaning of contraction? Contraction. Contraction.
Contraction. Contraction. A contraction refers to a shortened version of a word or phrase that is formed by removing one or more letters or sounds. The result is a word or phrase that is easier to say and faster to write, but it loses some of its original meaning or clarity in the process. Contractions are commonly used in informal speech and writing, but they may be inappropriate in formal or academic contexts where clarity and precision are highly valued. Overall, contractions serve as a useful tool for effective communication in casual situations, but they should be used with caution in professional settings.